Hi, welcome back to Animal Wonders. I'm Jessie, and we just got a surprise package in the mail. It says Animal Wonders, and it is from Madison and Mackenzie. Thank you so much. They specifically asked me to open on camera and then give whatever's inside to the animals on camera, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's see what is in here. There's a letter. Dear Animal Wonders, my name is Madison. I'm 13 and I live in Oregon. I have a sister who is 8. We have an 11-week-old puppy named Daisy. We hope you enjoy the gifts. Can you please give the gifts to the animals on camera? And can you please give one to the new Patagonian Cavy? Sincerely, Madison. And there's one from Mackenzie too. Look at these cute pictures. It's a pretty one. So she says, I hope you like all of the things me and my sister picked out for the animals. I have 2 questions for you. How old is Cass and how old is Chili Pepper? Cass is 8 years old. He turned 8 in May, and Chili Pepper actually just turned 8 too, just a couple weeks ago. Oh, you guys know what the animals like. This is a willow, these are willow branches, and every single one of the rodents love these. You know who might really like them? Cayenne, the new Patagonian Cavy. And there is some more little rodent toys. These are perfect. You know, rodents love to chew. So the chinchillas and the guinea pigs, even our lagomorphs, the rabbits, will love chewing on these toys. Oh, this is perfect. Huckleberry the beaver is obsessed with these little things. So this is gonna go to Huckleberry. Look at this cute little hut. My goodness. And another one. Perfect. These are gonna be excellent little hideouts for our guinea pig herd. And some Timothy twists. So these should be fun for the cavies as well. They really like chewing. They eat Timothy hay, but these are little braids, so they'll just have fun like ripping them apart. And we have, this is a little happy hut. These are for birds or other little animals that like to hang out in little pouches. You know, I bet the sugar gliders would love to hang out in that little thing. It's super cozy. And I know who these are going to. Zima the toucan loves to play catch, and these are all like little baubles. Got some more little rodent chews. Man, this is packed full of great stuff. Rocket the raccoon is gonna love playing with this guy. Look how cute it is. I love it. Ooh, this is gonna be so fun for some of our animals. This is a mealworm feeder, and let me just open it up so you can see what's going on here. So we'd attach this to the side, put the mealworms in here, and then the mealworms slowly climb out those little holes. And so the lizard, I think this is gonna go to Jade, the Savannah monitor, she'll come up and she'll have to wait for a little worm to come out, and then she can go ahead and grab it. It's a great foraging item. And we have these wooden blocks. These are a great natural toy to chew on for our macaws, Scarlet and Joy. We'll string them on a rope and they can just have at it. Thank you so much, Mackenzie and Madison. This was wonderful. Let's get these goodies to the animals. Well, that was really fun. They obviously loved all of the things you got for them. Thank you, Madison and Mackenzie. That was so sweet and so kind. If you would like to send the animals some toys of their very own, you can go to our Amazon wish list, link is below, or you can send them directly to our P.O. box, which is right here. Thank you so much to everyone who has supported the animals. We love being able to offer them a happy and healthy life. If you'd like to go on an animal adventure with us every week, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next week.